Hello and good day, guys. Now, don't judge me by the way my truck looks, because I just went grocery shopping. Yeah, that's what's up there, and I got to put it all away. But I'm going to show you guys something. Have you guys ever cooked in a slow cooker? In a big truck? In a semi? I'm going to show you. Now, this does require, you must have an inverter. It has to be able to power, watch out, has to be able to power the slow cooker, because it's got to cook at least 10 hours. And that's what it requires in order to cook this. Now, they do have a crock pot that they sell at the truck stops that plug in a cigarette plug. I'm pretty sure that thing will work too. But I always use electric crock pot, and it's the same crock pot that people use in their homes. And there's our roast. It's only 2.5 pounds, and this will cook up to a 4.5 pound roast. Or I could put a whole chicken in there, put potatoes, carrots, and that will cook a whole chicken. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Jukebox, that's a lot of meat. I also got a refrigerator, so whatever is left we can put. But we're going to stick this into the crock pot. I'll be right back. And there's our roast. You know me, well, some of you guys know me, that I like garlic salt. So I season both sides with some garlic salt and pepper. Now I'm not going to add no water to it. I'm just going to put it on a slow cook, because this roast is actually going to make its own juice. Now, the secret to this is you want it to continually cook. Now, I'm not going to be able to eat this for about 10 hours, but it's 8:13, so that means around 6 o'clock this roast is going to be good, or be done. Now, because it's going to make its own juices, and it's going to have the beef flavored juice, we got the wide egg noodles. And when that roast is pretty much done, we're going to put the noodles in there and let them soften up with the juice of the beef. And we're going to have beef and noodles tonight. Now, I'm going to show you what this looks like at the end of 10 hours. For you, it's just going to be the next clip. So, we'll be back. I forgot to show you, and I got my lamp so you can see. But you want to put it on slow cook or low cook. Well, let's see. Let me see if I can see this. Keep warm, off, low, and high. We're going to keep it on low. We're going to keep it on low until it gets done. We're just going to let it cook for 10 hours. We'll show you as we go what it's looking like, and we'll show you that what the juice and how the roast is doing. But anyway, this is dashboard cooking. Oh yeah, show you, because I got the app on my phone for this. Now, I have a 1500 watt inverter that's cooking this roast, okay? And you guys want to know how much wattage on low a crock pot takes at 1500 watts? Well, right there it is, right there. See that? 16. I'm just barely off. I'm just barely using the power on my app. That's my inverter. So it doesn't really use much wattage to use a slow cooker. You just gotta have lots of patience. Lots of patience. Because, believe it or not, this is gonna start smelling really good before it gets really done. That's gonna be the hardest part. Alright. 8 o'clock this morning. We started it It's been cooking for 8.5 hours. That's a 2.5 pound roast. See all that water in there now? Can you see all that water? Remember, I put it in there dry. I didn't add no water to it. And looky there. Look how tender that is. That is tender. That is tender. Look how tender that is. Oh my. Look how tender that is. Ooh, looky there. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my. That is priceless, man. Hey. Now, we're going to add our egg noodles to it. And we're about to eat. 8.5 hours. 2.5 pound roast. I'll be right back. Well, guys, there it is. Roast, egg noodles, corn. There's what roast we got left. And we're fixing to eat. Now, this is true, honest to God, dashboard cooking. This has nothing to do with a microwave. Okay, except for the corn. It comes from a can. But the meat, everything, patience pays off, man. 8.5 hours later, okay, 9, because we had to do the noodles. We're going to get to eat a fine meal. There it is again. And that was cooked right there. See, that was cooked right there in that crock pot. Oh yeah. Okay, as you can tell, today wasn't much of a video. Pretty much all I did was I walked inside Walmart, got me a few groceries. We cooked. Now we're on the way to go pick up our load. We're going to be driving tonight. I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut it from this point, and then we're going to start you a new video. So hopefully you don't mind a little video, because not every day I'm going up and down the road. Not every day is a work day. And I wish I could have probably showed you more, but unfortunately, and believe me when I tell you, it was 1 above here today, and it was pretty cold. So I couldn't fly the drone. That's not good for the battery. The dogs couldn't last hardly, not even 10 minutes outside, because it was so cold. So everything was basically, other than letting them go out and go real quick, everything was inside. So please forgive me if you don't mind seeing a video like that, me having one of them not a driving day. Let me know and I'll show you more. If you don't like them, let me know, and then I'll just show you when I'm working. But I'm just trying to show you a little bit of what we do on our off time when we're not working. We live in the truck. You won't see no wife, you won't see no kids, you don't really see my parents. Although next weekend we're going home. I'm going to my mom's. Be a little video there, but not much. But we're going to her house, so. But anyway, with that being said, stay tuned, because we're going to continue the video from here and show you what we can. It's a night video, right? So we'll show you what we can. I want to thank you guys for following. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.